This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below.
Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 96 of building the Infinity Gauntlet, getting ever closer to the end. This time we're going to be doing some building. We've got the side of the left forearm, part 5 of the side of the left forearm. So yeah, we're going to be adding to the part that we got last time. But first, of course, we're going to look through the magazine. We have The Lost Love of Thanos, like Thor. He loved Thor, but there we go. Thanos' Death Notes going on there. If you want to pause and read about all of the words, you can read them all. And Thanos there. Sure about that artwork. Don't like that too much. It looks more basic than I would know. Yes, so here we go. This issue received the second piece of the side of the arm that goes under the little finger and assembled this part of the wrist. We've also got some extra parts, some caps. Obviously, the way it's designed, there are some screws on the outside, so these are going to cover over some screw holes that can't be covered in any other ways. But we're not doing anything with them quite yet. But we're basically adding this bit to the part from last time. 3 screws will hold that in place, and that will be it. And then, yeah, the caps are going to cover over the side here. I don't know if that was the same on the other side. This is the other side that I haven't done yet. So we've still got a part to go in there, that side, and the other gem to do. I mean, they'll be stored next issue. I don't have the next issue. This is the only 2 parts that are able to be built at the moment. So, yeah, that might be from the last time. We might have got caps on those as well. I don't know. Dormammu. Yeah, that was the one in Strange, wasn't it? I don't know about the Dark Dimension, though. Doesn't sound very pleasant. Looks very fiery, very bright for being the Dark Dimension. There you go. That's that. Yeah, Garon. That looks like one of the medieval sort of plague doctors. Khonshu. Oh, from the Dark Knight. The Moon Knight. I vaguely remember them. Yeah. Right, let me clear this out of the way and let's get this built. So I have the part from last time that we already looked at. The part from this time is that plate that goes on the front. And we've got these screw covers. Have a look at one of those. First time I've really seen these. Nicely in a resealable bag. Such a resealable bag that only reseals if you can actually open it the first time. There we go. We'll look at one of these then. They are plastic, but solid little rivet type things. They're obviously going to go into some screw holes to cover them over. Yeah, that's fair enough. I shall keep those safe until the next delivery arrives. We can build things with that. But what I do need are 3 of these screws. There we go. Put those safe in my pile. And that is going on there just like that. And the 3 screws obviously go in from the back. Hold that together. As ever, we'll get them all in and then tighten them all up. Ensure things line up first. There you go. That and the middle one, finally, in there. Tighten up. Obviously, this is not going to be a part that's got any strain on it at all. It's just the decorative bit. Apparently, it goes under the little finger. There we go. Going back on the screw thread a little bit every time, just to break off any loose flecks that might appear in the thread and cause problems. There we go. That is that now completed so far. It's even got A90 printed on the inside in case you don't know where it's going to go. But for now, that is all of the gauntlet that I have available. I'm not sure what's going to be in the next package when I get that, if I'm going to be able to go back and do some more. But when I do receive those, obviously there'll be a mass of gauntlet episodes coming out to fill in the blanks. But for now, that will do me for today. Thank you very much for joining me. I shall see you for more gauntlet, hopefully very soon. But other part works will still be happening in between times. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.